I'm Lorraine Elliott, and today on Not Quite Nigella, we are making Amalfi lemon sorbet. Lemon sorbet is one of the best summer desserts. It's so easy to make. I'm going to show you how to make it without an ice cream machine. So I have one, but I lost a part of it, and so it doesn't really work anymore, but you don't need it. You don't need to buy any special equipment like an ice cream machine to make a sorbet at home. We're going to show you how to make it really lemony. So there's a couple of tricks just to make it super lemony and really get that true lemon flavor in it. I hope you like it. Start with cutting the lemons 1/3 of the way down so that you get a cup and a little lid. Remove the juice, pulp and seeds. Strain it so that you just get pure juice. You can skip this if you're not serving them inside the lemon. Place the water and sugar onto boil and stir to dissolve the sugar. It should become clear within a few minutes. Then add the glucose syrup or corn syrup to the pot and stir it so that it melts and melds completely. Also add 1 tablespoon of limoncello or vodka. Both of these are to prevent ice crystals forming, which is important when you don't have an ice cream maker. Peel 2 lemons. We're using a lot of zest just to steep in the syrup, just to give it that distinct lemon flavour. Leave this for 30 minutes and then remove the zest. After this, we finally grate the zest of 1 lemon, which gives you around 1 tablespoon of zest. Add the strained lemon juice and stir very well. Pour this into a freezer-proof container and freeze this overnight. The next day, take a knife and chip away at the sorbet. You can see that it's not super hard like an ice cube, and you can break it up, and that's thanks to the ingredients that we used, like the glucose syrup and the limoncello. Place it into a Thermomix, blender or food processor and blend until smooth. You can see that it has a lovely, smooth, creamy texture. Place 2 or 3 scoops into each lemon bowl and then place the little lid on top. You can decorate them with lemon leaves or mint leaves.